So, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to analyze Nio. Now, Nio in the last couple of months outperformed itself. In the first quarter of 2021, I forgot the number to be honest now, but they outsold their expectations by far. They sold over 1 million cars, as far as I know. They are expanding their sales countries until 2022. They want to add Norway and Switzerland, maybe even some other countries, and they want to also uh, revolutionize their battery, and they want to swap it, I think, by 2025. So whatever is going on, Nio is just simply mind-blowing. In the last couple of months, they are just outperforming everybody, and 2022 will probably be the year. So this is why I will take a look at it today from a technical perspective, and also I will take a trade next week likely, and until I see some kind of better confirmation for it to buy, because we might drop lower. Doesn't really matter at this point, because the level that we are at right now is pretty good for a buying opportunity. So let's just get right into it. So what's going on, guys? This is Nio, and I'm gonna next week when I see a better sign, I will take a trade and I will buy Nio somewhere around here, and I will also make a video of it and show you what the trade will look like and when I will enter and how I will plan it. But for now, I will analyze it and try to make kind of a prediction for it at least. So if we, well, let's make the line somewhere around here. So we are seeing this triangle, and if we take a look back, we formed quite some triangles here and rallied most of the times after forming triangles here. Taking a look at Nio, and what we see here, or what we saw here, was somehow a pattern where we made this half circle, another one kind of, and then we try to rally, and this is something that can happen here. First circle, second circle, and third circle, and after that we could see a rally, and this is what I'm actually aiming for. This would be somehow next year where we could reach the previous highs and even break above them and go higher. Because if we add here some indicators, let's go for this one here. Let's see if this is helpful. Well, kind of. So for now, well, let's quickly get rid of all of the trades here. So the support area somewhere around here is, let me just quickly, this one should be the red line, a little bit thicker, and then this one should be the, let's make it, let's make it a blue line just to see it maybe better. Let's take this blue here. So we are trading somewhere at the 200-day EMA, but slightly below it, and this happened here as well. So for now, chances are that this support line here will act as a pretty big and important psychological support line, which means we will try to stay at these levels. And let's add some other indicators, the CCI and the stochastic, for example. So for now, we are here, obviously, at the lower parts, looking at the stochastic as well as the CCI, but at the same time, if we form here a kind of double bottom, while at the same time going higher here, which means that this will likely turn into a bullish run with a double bottom. So the support line for now is at 35.90, so around 36, and we could then start going higher from here if we see this CCI and stochastic divergence, while at the same time seeing here double bottom. So if we take a look at the weekly chart, we have been trading above the 50 EMA for most of the time, which is around here. And at the same time, if we quickly get rid here, the CCI could still go lower, which means we could potentially retest these lows at 31, because for now we are turning to the downside, but this could still take some time. So if the CCI gets here below the or outside of the blue area here, then this could happen somewhere around here at these lows, and then we could see an uptrend. At least here is a perfectly fine triangle being formed. So chances are we will go lower a bit here, and this is where my entry point would be. Or if I'm confident enough and see a sign that we could go higher from the lows that we are trading at right now, my stop loss would be somewhere around here, slightly below the lowest point here, which was 30.70. So this would be my stop loss here, and I go for a 1 to 2, at least 1 to 2, which would actually be perfect because it would be the previous highs here at around 55, and I could even adjust my stop loss a little bit just to go a little bit higher. And so this is the trade that I will look out for the next couple of days, and those are my prediction and analysis for Nio. Since the company is performing pretty well, they sold yet another, I don't know how many cars, but much more than they did previously. They again are constantly investing and making better solutions for the cars. I didn't check the fundamentals too deeply, so if you want to check it, do that on your own. But for now, it looks like 2022 will be pretty good for Nio. So this is the analysis and my trade for the next couple of days. So here is, so thanks for watching.